Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove watermark from a video using this Media.io AI tools. And in here, you can just open your browser and then find this Media.io on your browser. And here you can go to tools and find the watermark remover. See if it's here. Or you can just, I'm going to just scroll down, find the watermark remover. You can just click on view all tools and find it. This one's right here, so click on the video watermark remover and now click on remove watermark now. Now you can just upload a video. Click on upload, then choose your videos. I'm going to just use this and click on open. You can see this is the video that I want to remove its watermark here at the top, so you can just adjust the brush size to align with the watermark and then just brush the watermark off just like this. And after that, you can just click on the remove objects now button. Okay, so apparently this one, if you want to use it, you need to, you can see, buy a plan first. So there are monthly and also yearly plan, because I've already used my credit, so I need to buy the plan first before I can remove the watermark. But that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.